Okay, so as we know, real estate is not a day always full of rainbows. So today is the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm making a quick video to give you a pointer and, of course, share one of my real estate days. So this one is dealing with myself. I have a property down in downtown Columbia. Uh, Property I lived in, love it, but boy, it's been a little bit of a headache throughout my life, it feels like. So it was a house built in the 40s, have it rented out, have great tenants in there. So yesterday, or maybe the day before, the tenants called me and basically told me the hot water heater is not working. I replaced it 4 years ago. So the pilot light keeps burning out, so I have someone I really trust to get out there. Unfortunately, they weren't able to get it working. So they gave me the right steps to take. So now I called Whirlpool, have a claim, and it's covered under parts. But this is becoming a nightmare. And this is where sometimes, even if you know the right people, you do the right things will just kick your butt a little bit. So the issue is I need to use one of their service providers. Now I'm going to pay well over $200 to get them out there for a diagnostic. From there, they're going to have to call Whirlpool and tell them what parts we need. Well, the problem with Whirlpool is they don't carry any parts in the state of South Carolina. So now we're going to have to try to get them to send us parts. So it probably won't be tomorrow. It's probably going to be Friday. So I don't know when I'm going to receive the parts. Then I'm going to have to pay for the plumber to go back out there. And if it's a issue with the tank itself, of course I'll have to drain it, uninstall it, install it. If it's part, which hopefully that's the case, I'll have to get them back out there for another $200 and something to put that new part in. So right now my tenant's frustrated because they've gone a couple of days without hot water. And I've given them ideas to try and they've tried it and it hasn't worked. And it's just something where no one's in the wrong, but no one's benefiting right now either. So the things I learned from this, talking to the plumber, and I trust this plumber, I have them on my preferred professional list, is before you buy an appliance, figure out how parts and service work. Because I wish I would have gotten a brand besides Whirlpool, because this is just too tough. Warranty doesn't really help that much if you have to pay tons of fees to basically apply that warranty. So anyways, that's the lesson I learned today, is before you buy an appliance, find out a little bit more about the warranty plan, but also find out how readily the parts are going to be. Hope that helped. Hopefully things will go well. I'm hoping that we'll get that plumber over there. I'm chasing them down a little bit right now because they have a full day ahead. And hopefully it all works out for my tenant, and maybe I'll sleep well tonight and just be a little bit lighter in the pocketbook. But hope you're doing well. Reach out to me if you need anything. Have a great day. Bye.